This is Liptovska Teplicka, one of the only places in Slovakia where they bake bread in the real oven that is being burned and heated by a wood. And it is a real treat to see this because there is no other place in Slovakia that makes the bread in this kind of a fashion. First they make a sourdough, and this is also being sourdough from day to day, and this is, for instance, being made for the next day, and it's kept here, and the bread will rise on this part for the next day thing. And here is the dough which is being risen, and this is of course made by machine, but other than that everything is made by hand. So the only thing that they use machine for is the mixing the dough. That is about all. And then when this will be finished, then they will weigh the bread and they will put it into these osatkas, or the bread forms, which are also here. After the dough is weighted, and then it will raise a little bit more, and then it will be put in the oven, and then in a while after it is in the oven it will be buttered on the top, and then from the bottom part it will go to the top, or from the top to the bottom, I don't know yet, but the oven is really deep. Okay, and that's how the process will take place. Here you have the handles here for the chimney, and basically what's happening here is that they watch the temperature. They watch the temperature here, and if the temperature is too high, they know which chimney to pull, and they will close it off, and there will be more heat in the furnace for the bread to be baked. Okay, so now the baker is putting more wood in the oven, and then when that is burned, they will start the first baking of the bread. Now the bread has risen, and they're going to weigh it and put it in the oshatka, and let it risen in the oshatka a little bit more, and then it will go to the oven over there. So they're weighing the bread. And it goes to the oshatka where it will risen a little bit more. And it will go here where it will be rising a little bit more before it goes to the oven. In the back you can see how he is weighing the bread, and he's passing on the assembly line to the next baker, and he's putting in the bread baskets called oshatka to rise some more, and then they will go to the oven. And once the bread has risen to its proportions, it is emptied from oshatka and put on the wooden shovel, and it is placed in the oven deep inside. And the oven is about 5 yards deep. all these bread loaves are going in. And it will take about 40 minutes to bake them on one side, and then they will be put to the upper oven to bake a little bit more. Here they're mixing the second batch of bread for tonight. And here the bread is finished.